Workshop Wednesday. How's everybody? Y'all been busy? Me too. I'm not so busy that I couldn't be posting, but I haven't been posting, and I do apologize. But clicking along, I had big Christmas spurs and a big order of those, and I got that all done. And when I'm doing something that's for, I'm making excuses. I apologize. I haven't been posting. I got a cool pair going right now. It'll be baby Chihuahuas, little 3/4 inch band. Little big boogers here. You can see over here, got the old windmill rowel going. It's always a fun, cool deal. Real mild rowel, easy going. These are little kiddo spurs, so again at Christmas, but this one ain't gonna be watching the YouTube or the social media. That's rocking and rolling. Been having some fun. I hope y'all have. Wrapping up a good year, and one more month. We're gonna finish strong, right? Fourth quarter time. So do the best we can. Got Art of the Cowgirl coming up in January, so be prepared for that. Me and Carly Stutz, we got our deal done. We got a bit. I hope she's working on it. Got a few things to wrap up. Got to engrave it. She was working on that when she left here from the engraving class. And Patreon's rocking and rolling, kind of holding its own, staying steady. I think it's having value for those that are watching, and I sure hope so. Lots of information. Did one right now. I just did one filing this row. Had the phone set up, and explained the row and how I explained the file and how I had them all shaped and how it's going about that. And it's a 6-8 minute video of me sitting there filing on it, and away we go. But anyhow, all's well. I hope y'all do good. It's kind of cool in Texas today. Yeah, it's 50. It's cold. Yeah, I know, not cold. But anyhow, hope all's well, and we'll see y'all soon. Adios.